Welcome to another informative video by HR How To, your trusted source of HR and career-related advice, trusted by millions of followers all over the world. Visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library. How to unlock your career success with these essential soft skills. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to move up the ladder, having essential soft skills is critical for success. What are soft skills? These skills are not usually associated with a specific job or profession. Interpersonal, communication and leadership skills allow you to interact with others in the workplace and build relationships. These skills make you an effective employee and a successful leader. Soft skills are skills that are not easily quantifiable. They are the skills that help you make connections, build relationships, and understand how to work with different people. They are the skills that help you navigate the workplace and handle difficult situations. Soft skills are essential for any career. They are the skills that help you interact with colleagues, understand your clients' needs, and communicate effectively with your team. They are skills that are essential for building relationships and understanding the dynamics of the workplace. Examples of soft skills. Some examples include the following: communication. The ability to communicate effectively is essential for any career. Communication skills include speaking, listening, writing, and reading. Leadership. Leadership skills help you motivate and inspire your team. Leadership requires the ability to motivate, delegate, and manage. Problem solving. Problem-solving skills are essential for any career. Problem-solving skills help you identify and solve problems quickly and efficiently. Teamwork. Teamwork skills are essential for any career. Teamwork skills include collaboration, cooperation, and working with different people. Time management. Time management skills are essential for any career. Time management skills help you organize, prioritize, and manage your tasks effectively. How does having soft skills making you a better professional overall? Having soft skills competencies are beneficial in any career. They are the skills that help you build relationships, understand how to work with different people, and handle difficult situations. Soft skills can help you stand out from the crowd. Acquiring such skill sets can help you move up the career ladder. They can help you become a more effective leader and a better decision maker. Soft skills versus hard skills. Soft skills and hard skills are both critical for any career. Hard skills are the technical skills specific to a job or profession. They are the skills that are necessary to perform a particular task. Hard skills are usually quantifiable and can be easily measured. Soft skills, on the other hand, are skills that are not easily quantifiable. Here's how you can get started in building and improving your soft skills. Reading is a great way to develop professionally. Reading books, blogs, and magazines can help you gain new perspectives and increase your knowledge. Listening is an essential soft skill. Listening to others can help you understand their perspectives and develop empathy. Practicing them is essential for developing them. Practicing your communication, problem solving, and leadership skills can help you become a better leader and a more effective communicator. Networking is a great way to develop skill sets. Meeting new people and talking to them can help you understand different perspectives and learn new things. Taking classes can help you develop soft skills. Communication, leadership, and problem-solving courses can help you become a better leader and more effective communicator. The most valuable soft skills. Communication. Communication skills are essential for any career. Communication skills include speaking, listening, writing, and reading. Leadership. Leadership skills help you motivate and inspire your team. Leadership requires the ability to motivate, delegate, and manage. Problem solving. Problem-solving skills are essential for any career. Problem-solving skills help you identify and solve problems quickly and efficiently. Teamwork. Teamwork skills are essential for any career. Teamwork skills include collaboration, cooperation, and working with different people. Time management. Time management skills are essential for any career. Time management skills help you organize, prioritize, and manage your tasks effectively. Soft skills in the workplace. They are the skills that help you understand workplace dynamics and handle difficult situations. How to showcase your soft skills. Stories are a great way to showcase your soft competencies. Use stories to highlight your communication, problem-solving, and leadership skills. Taking responsibility for your actions is a great way to build and strengthen your abilities. Showing you can take responsibility for your actions will demonstrate your leadership, problem-solving, and communication skills. Showing enthusiasm for your work is a great way to showcase your superior skills. Showing enthusiasm will demonstrate your communication, problem-solving, and leadership skills. Building relationships are another means to show off your outstanding skills. Building relationships will demonstrate your communication, problem-solving, and leadership skills. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on informative content from HR How To. Links to full tutorials will be shared in the description box located below. You can also visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library.